friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I think you know who's going to be making a couple appearances here. But I wanted to share with you 2 new products that one is really important to me because, as most of you know, I have twin grandbaby boys, and when I found out we were having twins, of course, the first thing was I cried because I was so excited. But I started thinking about boys, and I hadn't had any boys in my life at that point. I only have girls. And I was just thinking how fun and how blessed they both are to always have a best friend. So as they grow up, I'm always going to tell them that God loved them so much, He blessed them with a best friend, a brother, a twin brother. And what I did was I designed this stamp set, and it's called Best Bud Bears to Stamp, which Best Bud Bears to Stamp, that's a mouthful. But I wanted to kind of just incorporate the love that they will have for each other in this stamp set. So it says, and I designed the bears literally they could lean on each other, back to back, lean on each other. But it says, lean on me, best buds, born together, friends forever, I've got your back. Now, I didn't want to make a twin set, so this is not a twin set. But if you have twins, you can use this because it does have the one that says born together, and then you could use friends forever. So that one stamp, born together, is kind of a little, it's twins or multiples, but the stamp set itself is for anyone. And I did include a little bow in case you have little girls in your life, but I just thought this would be a really fun stamp and die set. So of course there are dies that match, and I have a lot of fun samples to share with you. Now, another item that we're releasing is the double scallop card die. Now, I did come out with this a long time ago with the other company, but we've brought it back because we've had so many requests. And the most important reason why we've brought this back is because it's a double scallop A2 size card. So you know how we always have the die you have to have that makes the perfect A2 size card? Well, what if you wanted a die that made the perfect double scallop card? This makes the perfect A2 double scallop card. I'm going to die cut it for you really quick just so you can see how easy peasy it is. Now you don't have to worry about, oh, is that going to be the perfect cut or whatever. You know that with this card base, you're going to get the perfect line up double scallop card. Now, of course, there's layering dice that go with it. And we've changed them up a little tiny bit from the original. So let me share this with you. Here we go. And you're just going to fold it on the score line. Boom. A2. Isn't that awesome? Lines up. It's perfect. Perfect little card. And for some reason, this has a surprise in the inside. I grabbed scratch paper. But look at that. Easy peasy, right? Now, of course, it has layering dies. There's a regular layering die and a dotted layering die. And it comes with words. So we added some words. So this one says happy and birthday. The letters the letters cut out. They're similar to the ones I took on HSN, but they're a little tiny bit bigger. And then thank you with a cute dotted flower. Now, I have lots of samples to share with you. You know my design team's amazing. So let's look at the double scallops first. So there's the thank you. The letters are separate, so you don't have to use them. You could use them separately if you want. And then we have some cute little butterflies on the inside. Ooh, here's a fun one. Happy birthday. Now, just for the outside, the 3 main dies, the layering dies and the big one, this is worth it. So the extras are just, you know, extras. So here we have the cute little thank you. Here's the happy birthday. Here's that fun flower. It has dots that cut out, which are really fun. And then you don't even have to use the words. Don't even think about using the words. Just get it for the scallop itself, because that's the most important. Oh, here's a cute one with the little gnome. Thank you. Ooh, there's those flowers again. You're going to love those flowers. It's just such a different thing to have those dots popping out of there. Ooh, and here's another one. Thank you. But again, you don't have to use those letters. You can just use it by itself. For example, there's another one where you're using just that. Now, let's look at our bears, Liam and Miller. So there's our cute little bears. Look at the cute little butterfly. That's a cute, where'd that butterfly come from? Steffi Doll 3. Isn't that cute? That's cute. Here's another one, oh, with the bow tie around their necks instead of in their hair. Here's a cute one on a stand-up, best buds, or on a step-up. Look, this one, they're holding hands. Isn't that cute? Oh, and on the back it says congrats with our circle. That's fun. Oh, this one's cute. I've got your back, a boy and a girl, which is cute. Best buds and friends forever. Oh, look at this one. Ready? This is on our Z Fold card, which I know you all have this one. Let me tell you, you all have this die because it flew out the door, and we had that on pre-order forever, but they're all out now. We have them in stock now. You're fine, but all of you already have it. But look at this. Isn't that cute? Lean on me, sending hugs. I've got your back. And here's another one with that flower power background. So gorgeous. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You have to join. It's only $11.95 a month. That includes the stamp set. If you want the dies that match, it's only $24.90 a month. That includes shipping anywhere in the United States except California. You got to pay a little tax. But other than that, it's awesome. And you save 15% in our booth and on our website. So go check out thestampsoflife.com. If I went too fast on any of these, don't worry. You can go check them out on our online gallery. Now also, make sure you're following us on Instagram and on Facebook. We even have a Facebook fan page. So search Stamps of Life fan page on Facebook and you can see that and hang out with other lovers of the Stamps of Life. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.